Welcome friends to my channel Trading Sensation. I hope you all are doing well. Yes friend, I have opened Nifty. This is 15 minutes chart. If accidentally you have missed my earlier video that I posted yesterday, please do watch it before watching this. Why? Because I mentioned few levels in that video about Nifty, Bank Nifty. So in Nifty I mentioned the level of 14,575 and yesterday Nifty closed around this point, that is 14,486, and I told to watch the levels, that is 14,575 on the higher side, and above that it's 14,780, below that it's 14,324, then 258, then 165. And now in this 15 minutes chart you see that from this particular candle, let me just zoom in a bit, from this candle that is around 130 to the last candle that is at the fag end, it was unable to cross this line exactly, my friend. So this automatically signifies the importance of this 14,575. Yes friend, I have also mentioned the level of Bank Nifty. I'll definitely show you. Please keep watching it till the end. And in both the chart I have mentioned about the spot levels. It's not futures. So this is Bank Nifty 15 minutes chart, and you see yesterday price closed around this 31,997, or you can say 32,000, but today you see that it opened around this level of 31,850. I mentioned the level of 31,857 and below that 31,334, and higher on the higher side you should watch 32,161, then 32,250, then 32,500, then 32,680, and you see that how important role this 31,850 has played today. You see at this level buying happened so drastically that from this 11 a.m. in the morning today, price started to go up due to excessive demand, and you see the next level on the upside, that is 32,250. It was just taking support at this level. So please, it's a kind request, it's an earnest request to you all. Please do mention or do note these levels for your intraday trading in futures and options. Yes friend, now I am going to share 10 stocks. Yes friend, list of 10 stocks which have very high probability to go higher in the coming days. Before that, एक छोटा सा click on subscribe button should happen, and don't forget to click the bell notification so that you get all the update about my future videos. So starting with TV18, my friend, I want to go with daily chart in TV18. Let me just zoom out a bit. So this TV18, you see that I have extended this line from 24 June 2020, and now presently the candle is just on the verge of breakout. Yes friend, so any price action above the high of today's candle is a breakout. Please do track TV18. Now going with the second one, that is Network 18. So it's a very similar pattern with TV18. You see that this candle is also on the verge of a breakout. So any price action above the high of this candle will give a breakout. Now going with the third one, that is CESC. Let me just zoom out a bit so that you can get the broader picture of the chart. Now in this chart you see that presently the price is hovering, and you see today it just went higher but managed to close on the line itself. That means it closed just on the trend line or on the verge of breakout, you can say. So any price action higher than the high of today's candle is a breakout, and do mark that level for your execution. I hope this also can be added in your watch list. Now going with the fourth one, that is Coal India. So in this chart, Coal India, you see that today it has given a breakout from this multi-month resistance or trend line. You see that today it has breached with a big green candle. So please do track Coal India also in the coming days, and don't forget to add it in your watch list. Now let me just move on to the next stock, that is Tata Coffee. So this Tata Coffee, you see that it has given a breakout, and this pattern is known as symmetrical triangle. So it has given a good breakout today, and going forward I expect this stock also to move higher from here. So please add this stock as well in your watch list. Now proceeding with the next one, that is DLF. So in this DLF chart, let me just move to weekly because this is daily. Now let me just set the chart and zoom out a bit, and you see that it's a multi-year trend line at 265, my friend. So I hope you understood the importance of this line, that is 265, and see today price is just hovering around that level. So please do track DLF because it's a very major zone, you can say, and if it somehow sustains above this level, then expect DLF to zoom on the upside in the coming days. Now let me proceed with Tata Chemical. I want to go with the daily chart in Tata Chemical. So this stock is, you can see that it is just touching the sky. Now this stock also demands some attention. Yes, please track this breakout if it happens. If it somehow manages to go higher than 530, expect price to move much higher from that particular level because it is on the verge of breaking out on the upside. Now proceeding to the next one, that is Exide. Just a small request again, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon as well. I hope these videos will really add value to you. So now in this Exide also, this is also similar to like DLF, which had a very major psychological level. Here also you see 205, 206 is a very important level in Exide. So please do track Exide and keep it in your watch list because see, it is just on the verge of a breakout from here. So please do track Exide as well. Now let's proceed with Piramal. So in this Piramal chart, let me just adjust it to weekly so that it becomes easier for you to understand. So in this weekly, this chart really looks interesting and it is on the verge of a big breakout from this level. So any price action above the high of this 15.78 or 15.80, you can say, to be in round figure, expect price to move much higher from that level because it is also a multi-year, not multi-month, but multi-year breakout which is going to happen. Now let's proceed with the last one, that is HDFC Bank. It's the highest weightage stock in Bank Nifty. So please do track Bank Nifty for tomorrow because I am expecting Bank Nifty to surge higher from here looking at HDFC Bank. So until and unless the other banks just drag down, you should see Bank Nifty going higher. So it has given a good breakout today. So please do track this HDFC Bank also for the coming days. So these are the 10 stocks which I wanted to show you along with Nifty and Bank Nifty. I hope this video will add a lot of value to you. If you think that it is valuable, please do subscribe my channel and share it with your near and dear ones. Thanks for watching. Have a great day tomorrow. Goodbye.